In this video, you'll see how to install the compiler. Now, you don't really know what a compiler is right now, but let's just say that it is the software that allows you to develop C++ programs for this class. Now, it turns out that installing the compiler for the command line, which is what we're going to use, is really, really easy. So let's get it done. To install the command line compiler, all you got to do is open up a terminal and type in G++. And it says, you ain't got no G++, but you can install it. So click the button, click the agree button. Who knows what you just signed away. And now you just wait. And it's going to be a few minutes, so I'm going to skip forward in time. Okay? And now we're just about done. When it is done, you can click It's Done. Test it by saying G++ in that terminal you have open. And instead of saying it's not installed, it'll just give an error saying that you didn't tell it what to do, but it is actually installed. Great.